Lift your head back up.
What does a woman that doesn't have all this, what does she do?
I don't want going strong 2 hours long. I know you do not have. Why are you doing that? Oh, here we go. Here's our long and strong, bitch. Watch. Oh, you were talking about that. Stop. Oh, look at my hand in my pants. 2 hours long, 2 hours strong. I just farted. There she goes. Look at her tail. Yeah, wait, stop. Oh shit, I'm sitting on a dog. Sitting on a bitter, babe. Baby, come here. Oh yeah, Cotton? Is that some good stuff? Go look, mommy.
I forgot I had it on.
Hold on, here she goes.
I'm sorry.
No wonder that fucking blanket up to
presents Steve Martin, Jack Black, and Owen Wilson.
She's being camera shy. Oh, she's gotta lick it. You gotta lick it before you stick it.
Trying to outdo each other for the most.
Look at Jenna. Dang, baby, you're already getting fat. Why? I'll get my babies back. Are you out of breath, Cotton?
What's your number?
I'll get my babies back. Am I still sitting on bitter? Oh my God, look.
Really, it's about the human condition. Wow, that's funny.
I think I'm sitting on my dog. Look.
Wait, you say I got fat already.
Look at her.
I'm going back to drugs.
I'm going to have to turn this off now.